जय श्रील प्रभुपाद. Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu ki Jai. Welcome all of you for the 59th session of Soulful Japa. So, every day we are discovering new and new exciting things, newer and newer concepts that makes your japa exciting. First, the key concept that we should chant and hear that very chant. We should chant this sound and hear that very sound. And this is called as concurrent chanting cum hearing. Of what? Again pinpointed. Of every nama that is manifesting right here and now. Okay, it's not about chant and hear the mantra that has gone. No, some sound you are chanting, you are calling out Krishna, and you hear that Krishna. Hare, you hear that Hare. So that was the first secret, open secret. Why it's called open secret? It is open. All those quotes were always available on Prabhupada's teachings. Golden quotes always existed. That means open. Why it is secret? Because everybody didn't catch it. Everybody cannot catch it. Even now, how many will catch it? You do not know. So if you catch it, you're lucky. You have learnt what is mindful japa. You have learnt what is mindful japa. Just one secret. One secret. Chant and hear that very chant. When you chant, you hear. While you chant, you hear. As soon as you chant, you hear. And one of the reasons where many people get stuck is because they see that hearing is another doing. Oh, I should do two things. No, only one thing. Chant and know. So this is another key concept that we, came up with, where chanting and hearing can be simultaneously, concurrently done. If you think it is two doings, then it cannot be concurrently done. One time you will chant, another time you will say, I should hear, another time you should say, I should chant. So either you will chant, either you will hear. If you do one of these things, attention does not get locked up, you are gone. Mind is gone. Okay? So no isolated stress on chanting, no isolated stress on hearing. Chanting cum hearing simultaneously on the every nama that is coming on your tongue. That is the secret of mindful japa. It automatically means mindful. In the outside world, they use this word mindful a lot nowadays in psychology. What they mean is when here and now. That means mindful means, you be aware of what is around you. If you're doing something, do mindfully, they say. In other words, don't be spaced out. So now I explained that a lot about how being in the past, being in the future. Mindfulness, transcendental mindfulness, Krishna describes in Bhagavad Gita. Brahma bhuta prasannatma na sochiti na kankshati. One who is absorbed in spirit, Brahman, not in matter. Na sochati na kankshati, does not lament nor hanker for anything in the future. Lament means go to the past. Hanker means into the future. Especially emotionally, you don't go into the past, and emotionally don't go into the future. That I will talk to you some other time. It's very practical and useful in your personal lives. How to be in the present. In a transcendental sense, little different from the way the outside world presents mindfulness. Okay. So that was the first secret. I don't want to divert. I want to again stress the key points so that, after all this hearing, different sessions, we keep building up this concept. I'm very happy to see many devotees are building up the concepts and they are going along with me in this. It's a thrill for me to see this. I have posted several feedbacks in Telegram, and like yesterday, somebody has chanted 100 rounds so easily in 12 hours and felt so much energy, no tiredness at all. So this brings spirit. It brings delightful energy. Delightful. Okay, next. So then we came to spiritful japa. In spiritful japa, what was the key point? The key point was in spiritful japa is okay. In mindful japa, you had Krishtam, Aglada, all those things you had. Okay, that becomes, you add those two feelings there. Even if those two feelings are not there right now, it can be gradually cultivated. Okay. Most important thing, then concurrent chanting come hearing. Now you should add between the beats a tasking delight, an impulse of a delight. Impulse means it comes and goes. Micro impulse. So a tasking delight you should offer. That means delightfully you should keep building up one above the other. Or you take delight. I like one more. I like one more. I like one more. You like one more because Krishna also likes one more. Krishna also likes one more. Krishna also likes one more. Like that 108, like that 16 rounds. Krishna is more and more, and just like you're pleasing him more and more and more. Just like a kid, let us say, if you give me one toffee, it's very nice. I'll ask one more. Please give me one more. The same thing, the chanter will want one more toffee. It builds up like that. So, once that is understood, tasking pleasure is there, tasking delight is there, then it becomes spiritful japa. Now, slowly we cross over to soulful japa. 2 points of soulful japa we already touched upon. We'll talk more and more about it. One, Shraddha. The feeling, a faith feeling that the Lord is present here, Shraddha. The other one is Preeti. Bhajatam Preeti Purvakam. Yesterday I gave you a very simple example of exchange of Preeti. Like a baby walking from A to B and the father is seeing it. And then as each step he takes, the father gives him a smile, very good, carry on. Like that he comes, and the child also, the baby also feels very encouraged to see the father smiling. Oh, I want to make him smile more and more. In the same way, the scriptures describe the japa pleasure. The Lord takes pleasure in of his devotees, by his devotees. So then we came about next level of between the spiritful japa and the soulful japa. The transition is the intention and desire. If you introduce a very strong intention and desire for association of the Lord, then that particular intention, desire and purpose is going to amplify your delight. It is going to amplify your attention, kriya cheshta, jnana cheshta. It is a and purpose. I'll explain what is the difference between these three: intention, desire and purpose of japa. Is going to add value to mindful japa and spiritful japa. And it is the first point of, because you have Shraddha, only then you can have this intention, desire, purpose. Shraddha is a must. So, today I will introduce a very important point, which is the overall purpose of japa. That is very important. And you will be thrilled that it is not some small purpose. My God, I didn't know that. You will say, not a small purpose. What is that purpose? Can you project that? No, not that. Next one. Next quote. Yeah. Here, I'll read it. Please hear very carefully. Very, very interesting thing. You probably never heard of such things. This is from Ishopanishad, purport by Prabhupada. I think purport or preface. All forms of incompleteness are experienced due to incomplete knowledge of the complete whole. The human form of life is a complete life in the cycle of birth and death. If in this human life of full consciousness, the living entity does not realize its completeness in relation to the manifestation of consciousness of the living being, and it is obtained after evolving through 84 lakh species of complete whole, he loses a chance to realize his completeness and is again put into the evolutionary cycle by the law of material nature. Because we do not know that there is a complete arrangement in nature for our maintenance, we make our efforts to utilize the resources of nature to create a so-called complete life of sense enjoyment. Because the living entity cannot enjoy the life of senses without being dovetailed with the complete whole, the misleading life of sense enjoyment is illusion. The hand of a body is a complete unit only as long as it is attached to the complete body. The hand is severed from the body. It may appear like a hand, but it actually has none of the potencies of the hand. Similarly, the living beings are part and parcel of the complete whole, and if they are severed from the complete whole, the illusory representation of completeness cannot fully satisfy him. Okay, so you can take off the quote. Now, this is a very interesting thing. I'll put it in a very digestible way, what Prabhupada has spoken. Usually Prabhupada, because it is a Ishopanishad, it appears little too philosophical, but usually Prabhupada's everything is very personally he talks. But here it's Ishopanishad, so he starts with the Upanishad spirit. It is complete, we are incomplete. Ishavashidam sarvam, all that. So, we are Satchit Ananda. Okay. If you see in this world, we are always seeking a completeness to our feeling of Satchit Ananda. Our nature is Sat means eternal, Chit means pure knowledge, Ananda means bliss. You can say Ananda means feeling sense of love, enjoyment of senses. We are always feeling a sense of incompleteness in this world. As a spiritualist, any spiritualist should understand that the deepest instinct of the soul is me, not the body. The deepest instinct of the soul is it wants permanency, eternity. It wants pure knowledge. What is pure knowledge? At least knowledge about oneself. Who am I? Right? Who am I? What is this? What is existence? And how I am part of the existence. What is my relationship with the existence? This is called knowledge. So we all seek that knowledge. We all seek Ananda. We all seek love. We want to love. We want to be loved. We want pleasure sensations. It's desirable. Who does not want? So, our propensity is this. But are we feeling complete satisfaction in this material world through different material activities? Are we feeling satisfaction in our Satta, Chitta and Ananda? The answer is no. There is a constant deficit. Like Prabhupada gave the example, if the hand is cut off from the body, it may look like a hand, but it has lost all its potency to act like a hand. Similarly, my Satchidananda spirit, when it has forgotten Krishna, is like a severed hand. It looks like a person, but this is a person who is always Asat, Achit, experiencing Asat, Achit and Nirananda. Asat means all temporary things. Whenever, everywhere, everything is temporary, including his own body, everything is temporary, Asat. But his innermost tendency is he wants Sat. His rasa is for Sat, not for Asat rasa. It's all not very difficult to understand. Just like you see, even you don't like to stay in a rented house. Why? It's temporary. Let's have our own building. No, so there's no harassment from the landlord and vacate and all those things. You want your own house. There is a tendency for Sat to feel the Sat rasa. Not wanting to become old age. That is also Satrasa. As far as possible, every man tries to keep himself very young, but he has to grow old. So his nature is to remain young, his nature is to remain fresh. Nothing is permanent in this material world. So Asat. But Atma does not keep quiet. Atma is always okay, if not here, if not there, jumping from this Asat to that Asat. Okay, this is true, that is true, this is true, jump. No, it never satisfied. Ananda, love and pleasure. Together you can call it as Ananda. Love. When the people whom we love itself are not permanent, it is called Asat love. At the time of death, all the people whom you loved so much, like a bubble, it bursts. It doesn't exist like a soap bubble, no? World exists, but the relationship that you built and all is gone. Just like I keep my grandfather, grandmother's picture. Where are they? They also do not know. That soul is somewhere else in another body. They have no idea where they are, that they were in this body. Simply, it's only an imagination in your mind anymore. It does not have any existence. That soul is also not in that body. So, whole life we build up relationship with so many people in this world. Close relatives, the world and everything, and like a bubble it bursts. You are still there. You are not burst. You go into a new bubble. This is very painful.
because the soul wants eternal love. Eternal love, but you can't get anywhere. Birth, death, old age, disease. This is Krishna puts these 4 items as items of transcendental knowledge. If one understands this satya, this truth, not everybody understands this satya. So it's knowledge. So now come to completeness. What is Krishna? Satchidananda Vigraha. He's an ocean of Satchidananda. Ocean. Not an ordinary ocean. Ordinary ocean has shores. The Shastra says an ocean without shores. Ocean itself means unlimited. Then no shore also. So Krishna is Satchit Ananda Vigraha. God. He is the complete person. That's why it's called Supreme Personality of Godhead. From him everything is coming. Aham sarvasya prabho mata sarvam pravartate. Krishna is declaring in the Bhagavad Gita. Imagine whose name we are chanting. Huh? The Supreme Person Krishna. And what happens when the small Satchidananda, which is forgotten its Satchidananda, gets to touch this Supreme Satchidananda through attention, devotion, through serving attention, consisting of attention with the serving spirit, attention with serving desire. The incompleteness that the soul feels will vanish and there will be completeness. When we develop our bhakti relationship with Krishna, all our sense of incompleteness is gone. So this, how it is gone? Why are you feeling incomplete? Sat, Chit and Ananda, hunger. Starved. I am starved of Sat, Chit and Ananda. Sat, Chit and Ananda Rasa. It flows from association with Nama Prabhu. So you become a complete being when you feel satisfaction of Sat, Chit and Ananda. That is when you feel your deepest spiritual soul instinct is satisfied. So, associating with the Nama, the purpose of japa is to feel myself complete. It's a very great feeling because we have been suffering from life after life after life of this sense of incompleteness, insecurity, in sense of helplessness. All these things in the material world is because we have separated from God. We have separated from Krishna consciousness. When we connect our consciousness to Krishna consciousness, Krishna conscious happiness, that is the meaning of saying that iron put in the fire becomes red hot. The same way, by putting our soul in the fire of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. This is a fire of Satchit Ananda. Just like the iron gets warmed up, on a daily basis you will feel. Maybe by morning you do 16 rounds, your soul gets warmed up in such Chit Ananda. Actual energy flows. And during the day, of course, the gunas, three gunas attack us. Again, because we are in the material world, it comes attacks us. Morning again, you get up, you do your japa, you feel fresh. You feel a sense of, because association with Krishna gives you a sense of completeness. And not only that, during the whole day, ultimately when you go on doing like this, during the daytime also, when you are engaging in his service, it is not going to, Maya is not going to touch you. Maya will not touch you. So purpose of japa. See, when we say purpose, it means a larger thing. Just like we say, what is the purpose of International Society for Krishna Consciousness? Oh, to propagate Krishna consciousness. To desire, from the purpose, desire comes. What all desires will lead to that purpose? What all the desires? Like Krishna consciousness, to spread Krishna consciousness. The desires are, yes, we need to have temples, we need to have devotees, we need to have all these resources. So there is desire, just like Prabhupada said, every town and village, like that, desire. Purpose is what? Spread Krishna consciousness. Desire is next level. To fulfill that purpose, what are your desires? Next, to fulfill those desires, you need to do some actions. So what, out of that action, you have to achieve something. That is called intention. Purpose, desire, intention. Purpose is larger, then there is desire. Your purpose is to feel a sense of completeness, eternal completeness, once for all, settle my eternal completeness by completely as a part and parcel going and joining with the Supreme Whole, Supreme Complete, Krishna. That is the purpose of japa. The intention of japa, the desire of japa, you can do this by the mercy of the Lord only by developing loving relationship with Krishna, only by priti. Only by awakening my priti, I can feel a sense of completeness with the Lord. So what is the desire to feel a sense of, what desires should I pursue in order to feel a sense of completeness? I should feel the desires of loving relationship with that complete person. I should develop loving relationship with him. How do I do that? Where is he? How can I love him? You can love him by serving him, giving him, pleasing him. Love means pleasing the object of love. How can I please him? Yes, here. Kalikale Nama Rupa Krishna Avatara. Krishna says, I am coming on your tongue. I descend from the spiritual world on your tongue to give you an opportunity to please me by chanting and hearing concurrently, delightfully. I will accept that service. So the purpose of japa is, long term we can think. Go back to Godhead. Our purpose of japa is to never ever be separated from Krishna. My completeness. I am incomplete without Krishna. I am incomplete without Krishna. Anything I do, I try to make wealth, I try to take good health, I try to do this, I try to have loving people. I will never feel complete. I can feel complete only when I have Krishna. And you can have Krishna when you love Him. The whole Krishna consciousness movement is to awaken our actual original love for Krishna. It is there in us. So when you chant for a few days, in your background, you can trigger this purpose and you will feel so good. Why are you chanting? To feel completeness. And you'll really feel completeness because Krishna gives that rasa into your heart. And one day, if you don't do chanting, you will feel incomplete. You genuinely feel incomplete because your heart has tasted that completeness. That love, that care, that sense of all those things will flow into our heart. So, so this is the purpose of japa. Desire of purpose of japa is to complete, you can say, self-realization, God realization, going back to Godhead, awakening my Krishna consciousness, never again to forget who I am. These are all the purposes of japa. These are all the purposes of Nama Japa, association with Nama Prabhu. And the desire is a loving relationship with the Supreme Lord. And that is devotional service, associating with Him by chanting and hearing. What is the intention? Come to intention. Intention means what kind of action you should do and what that action should result in. So now I am lost in the material world. What I should do in order to connect myself with Nama Avatara? Nama Avatara is to please the Nama Avatara is a desire. Pleasing Nama Avatara, awakening my relationship with Him is a way of feeling the sense of eternal completeness once for all, achieving perfection of existence. But what is the intention starting from here? What is the intention of japa? Simple. 2 words. Attention connection and attention embrace. My action should be such a way that my attention should be on the Nama. And that is why we are saying concurrent chanting come hearing. If you do, attention will be there. So, therefore, the intention in japa is, whenever say intention means, what do you intend to achieve through that action? Intention of action. What do you want to achieve? Okay, I take my japa mala and I am chanting. First thing that should come is, hey, I am going to do some action. What do I intend by this action? Oh, by this action I intend to welcome the Lord. And then I have to hear the Lord simultaneously, attentively. Intention is to attentively hear. My intention of action of japa is attention connection. If I am doing mindless japa, then I don't even have intention. What to speak of desire to please Krishna, what to speak of that burning purpose right behind everything. None of those things are there. Imagine how powerful your japa will be Your purpose also you know. You know your desire also. How that purpose trickles down into desire, different desires. Desire to please the deities, desire to please the Nama, desire to read Bhagavatam, desire to hear Krishna's Bhagavad Gita, all those different desires to please, which will lead you to that, awakening. Associate with the holy name, to engage in soulful japa, mindful japa, spiritful japa, soulful japa. So that is the reason I said, we have discussed many things, mindful japa and all this. Above all of them, this purpose, desire and intention. Purpose is to feel a sense of completeness in japa. Purpose of desire of japa is to exchange pleasantries with Krishna. Means what? With every bead, I should please him the way he has told. If I simply be connected to him and desire to be connected to him, I want him, one more. He is pleased. That is called bhakti. Put up that quote, first quote. I got a quote which I wanted to tell you about. It's the very first time you might be hearing, but this is a very most important quote to understand what is love and what is lust, according to Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, the author of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Atmendriya priti vancha thare bhali kama, Krishnendriya priti ichcha dhare prema nama. Translation. The desire to gratify one's own senses is kama, but the desire to please the senses of Lord Krishna is prema. Just see. Keep this in mind. It will guide you your whole life. This is a definition of love and lust. When you want to please the Lord, that is called love. When you want to simply please anybody else and please our own self, our own false self, separated from Krishna, then that is not love. Okay, remove that. So, now we have to culture this very strong intention. You should feel that need. I have a need. Yesterday I said, when you go to when you're hearing a person's talk, you go with a need, and when he speaks, then when you get that knowledge, then you feel the need is being fulfilled, and therefore you continue to give your attention. Similarly, if you don't feel a need for sense of completeness, and if you don't have the faith that with Krishna, with japa, I will feel a sense of completeness, and if you have faith that yes, I will feel completeness by associating with Krishna, Nama, who is non-different from Krishna, I will feel completeness. Once you have that faith, then your need becomes very strong. Intention comes out of a need. See, again, go back to, this is a psychology, intention. When I have an intention for something, I have a need for that. To fulfill that need, I have that intention. What is my need? I need to connect with the Lord. As long as I don't connect with the Lord, my attention will not stay there. So the need for touching the Lord, for that you have to know that it is through attention you touch the Lord. That is why we had several discussions, several modules discussed the importance of attention. Initially we simply said attention. Attention anybody can give. That way Kamsa also gave full attention to Krishna. Then later on we developed into favorable attention, serving attention, not lauding attention. Kamsa had continuous attention on Krishna, but he had a lauding attention. He wanted to kill him. So he was but because he was continuously attentive of Krishna, he also got mukti. Just see. It's the power of attention. Imagine we want to serve Krishna, we'll get gifts much more than Kamsa. We'll go back to Godhead. We get preeti, we get love of Godhead. So, and then it looks like, okay, I am chanting for my selfish desire. What is my selfish desire? Yeah, I want to feel completeness. For that I have to love God, so I am pleasing Him. It looks like that. But please understand that these are our constitutional need. Our need to be part of God. Our need to feel the pleasure of loving God. It's our need. A constitutional need is not a selfish desire. So need, your feeling to want to be complete is not a personal desire, selfish desire. Okay? Please understand that. You can feel that need very, it is constitutional, and Krishna is pleased with that. When one has personal independent desires, Krishna is not pleased. Krishna is known to now he is coming to me because he wants to feel a sense of completeness. See how selfish he is. Krishna doesn't think like that. Krishna is very thrilled. At last he understood that he has this need. Good. Now he is coming. Very happy. Good desire. I am very pleased with this desire to feel completeness. So therefore, you see, don't feel guilt about, I want something from Nama. Do not want anything from Nama except these things. What is that? I want to feel myself complete in association with the Supreme Complete. I am dry of Sat, Chit and Ananda. I am starved of Sat, Chit, Ananda. Like a madman, I am going into this material world, life after life after life, searching for Sat, Chit, Ananda completeness. And this Satchidananda completeness is available right now by Prabhupada's mercy. Right on my tongue, by associating simply by spiritful chanting, mindful chanting, I can feel that sense of completeness in life. Even in the material life, I can feel a sense of completeness. What to speak, eventually, what kind of completeness I will feel in bhakti when I awaken my bhakti towards my Supreme Lord. So, never ever, very, very without shy, please increase your desire. Just like we say now, we say that, in Krishna consciousness, after you come, you are very careful. I should not have this desire, that desire. This desire you should have. I want association of the Lord for feeling the sense of completeness. I will chant Hare Krishna every day to feel a sense of completeness in association with Krishna. Because He is my other part. He is the Purna, I am the Amsha. Purna and Amsha has to be together. That is called completeness. That is the reason Krishna is also feeling bad for us. There is something in Krishna. He is complete in everything. Yet for us, He is feeling incomplete. Okay. Even the Shastras say that ultimate self-intention of the soul should be Swartha Gatihi Vishnu. See, Swartha means selfish. The real selfish motive of the absolute selfish motive of the jiva is spiritual. What is that? Swartha Gatihi Vishnu. Vishnu. So to get Krishna consciousness, we have to have this desire in us. Purpose and the desire. So it is not only pure loving offering that pleases the Lord. Even the attempt of a sadhaka's devotee to serve him in a less than a pure manner under the guidance of another pure devotee also pleases him. This is another thing that we feel disconnected from God. No, what I am doing, I am not a pure devotee, so it is not pleasing to him. No, what all I am, this all must be imagination. No. Just like a father is thrilled with every attempt of a lost son to come back to him. In fact, he gets more attention. Everybody in the house will be talking. Oh, the guy who ran away is coming back. Look at that, so much attention he gets. So in the same way, the Lord also, when a jiva wants to come back from this material world back, the Lord's attention is more on the living entity. So our sadhana bhakti pleases him as long as it is an attempt of ours to awaken our constitutional love and service unto him, and not any stupid purpose, intention and desires of this world. So, chanting should not be for any stupid purposes of this world, should not be for any intentions of this world, or it should not be for any desires of the world. Otherwise, you are simply foolish. You have got God himself on your tongue. You should not ask anything except God himself. If you ask anything else, he will just give it away. But what you lose? You will lose him. And what our acharyas in our parampara want to give us? Not this and that and all. They want to give us Krishna himself. That's why they are teaching us how to love Krishna. Okay, so therefore, even with the mindless chanting, Nama Prabhu is pleased to whatever extent he is doing mindless. At least he is chanting. So different kinds of chanting is there. It all pleases the Lord. So now you have, overall, I have given you now one more weapon. With all these weapons, there is no question of inattentive japa at all. Concurrent chanting, come hearing, first gives you chesta ruchi, it locks up. Then you do spiritful chanting with tasking delight. It gives you karya chesta ruchi from the heart. You want to do more and more and more. It's an empowerment rasa. It is a doing, knowing, tasking rasa. That means it's you, just like if you see something beautiful, then you say, okay, I got a drishti ruchi from that object. If you taste some nice sweet, then you say that, okay, I got sweet ruchi from that object. By doing concurrent chanting, come hearing and tasking from Nama, then from whom are you doing? You're doing the Nama, or you're knowing the Nama, tasking the Nama. So from the Nama, you get a pleasant energy of doing, knowing, tasking. You get addicted to it. Because there is also ruchi in the heart. Remember, all this is still not the Shuddha Nama Ruchi. That you go mad when you get. That is different. This itself is like this. That you don't want to stop chanting the Nama. Because it gives you energy. You want to do more and more. It's a doing taste. Just like I told you, seeing taste, touching taste, smelling taste, tongue taste. These are doing taste. Ruchi. That's why I call Chesta Ruchi. Chesta Ruchi. Which you have all experienced now. This is not some theory we are talking about. We're not talking some theory. This is something that we are all experiencing in our life. In the last few weeks, we are all experiencing that from this sound there is an energy coming. That's all. That is proved beyond doubt. Like Prabhupada challenges many times. Tell lie. Where I challenge, take any ordinary sound, how long you can chant. Prabhupada says, Hare Krishna, you can go on endlessly chanting, you will never feel tired. So challenge thrown to the world. It's a direct evidence that the Shabda, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is a living sound which can give you taste, it give you Shakti, it can inspire you. To say it is also wrong, because it is Him. Vibration, of course, is it. But then into it, all the Shakti comes of the Lord. So Shakti Avasha is also, Shakti of the Lord is also personal. So Shakti Avasha Nama, Aprakrita Nama, the transcendental Lord who is the soul of that sound on my tongue. Sound on my tongue becomes Shakti Avasha Nama. The soul of that sound is Aprakrita Nama, the Lord Himself, not different from Krishna Himself. In a Nama Rupa He comes on my tongue. So these things are something which is yeah. So with all these things, it is impossible to not to give attention and chant. Because we don't have all this knowledge about Sevya, knowledge about Seva, knowledge about the Sevak. Who is a Sevak? We think I am the Sevak. You will see as we develop in Soulful Japa, I will tell you, you are not the Sevak. Because right now you think you are the body. As our chanting develops, you will see our chanting becomes, our soul will start chanting. Our pure self will chant chanting. That bhavana that I am the servant of Krishna, that identity that I am the servant of Krishna will do japa. Pure, beautiful ego, servant ego will do japa. That will be a completely different quality of experience of soulful japa. So now we'll take some questions and please read. You can read now 35, which I have posted. Earlier it was 34, 35 module. Intensifying purpose, intentions and desires. Still some more correction is required. I think I'll 3 pages I have corrected. More pages I will correct. Because day for yesterday very hurriedly I wrote it down. So we'll need some more correction. I think by evening I will have those corrections. And then I will post some more, which you read and come. What is Satchit Ananda? Again, let us not assume anything. Start from the basics. What is Satchit Ananda? I'll be talking about it tomorrow. Before that, by tonight I'll write. Morning I will post something about module 36 I'll post after 35, which will speak about what is Satchidananda. Because everything is centered around that understanding, no? Aprakrita Nama is Satchidananda Vigraha. The energies that come on and which will enlighten me is the Satchidananda energies. So you have to know once for all, what is this Satchidananda? When you go study whole engineering, electrical engineering, you should know what is electricity first, no? So similarly, the japa, self-purification, everything we are talking, it all happens through electricity. That means it all happens through Satchidananda energy. What is this Satchidananda energy? Okay, we'll talk about it tomorrow. Now we'll go for our japa. Please keep the sense of completeness in today's japa. In the background, not in the foreground. Again, warning, foreground is only for simultaneous chanting and hearing. Concurrent chanting and hearing. Okay? All that I speak now, last few days, it's for charging the background mind. Charging the background mind. Background mind is the one that has got all these feelings. Feelings of delight, feelings of like to hear, like to chant, Hristam, Ahlada. utsaha to build up, tasking delight. These are all from the background. Now, feeling of purpose. I may, to tell about purpose, I might have taken 1 hour. But to feel the purpose, you don't need 1 hour. It's an impulse. What is that? A feeling of wanting completeness through this Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. From your heart, you're feeling completeness when you associate with Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So let's go to the japa today.
The process is that you chant Hare Krishna and exactly the same sound you hear. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. You simply hear, when you say Hare Krishna, you try to hear the very sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. You simply chant Hare Krishna and try to hear the sound, that's all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. When you chant, you must hear also. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. While chanting, you must hear. Hare Krishna, you must give attention to hear. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, you hear it, then your mind becomes locked up. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare
Hare. So let's take one question at least. For tasking, I am observing a delay in activity of foreground mind, not able to chant as faster than before, started tasking more than microsecond in taking accomplishment delight. Please take accomplishment delight in your heart, not in your mind. You are thinking of a delight and not delighting. Just feel, only feel that delight. Don't think. If you have to think, please read all the reasons why you should feel delightful in advance. Now, what you are trying to do is trying to create that delight by thinking why you should be delightful. So, that thought also is coming. So, as much feeling as is there, only you leave it. Otherwise, you do pre-japa, off japa work, some more on tasking. Nothing wrong. You go on like this, it will become, you learn also. If you, as it is also, if it's going on like this, during japa, you are consciously training your mind also with, as long as on the bead you don't divert, let it take little longer. No harm. Slowly this will become very fast. It will turn into an impulse. Okay. What is exactly happening while the locking of mind? What vastu locks the mind? Please explain how one knows his mind got locked. The vastu, it's not the vastu that locks, it is the Shakti that locks the mind. It is Krishna Shakti, Krishna Nama Shakti from the Shakti Avashanama that locks the mind. Okay? That is what I said. That Ruchi, Divya Cheshta Ruchi is what locks the mind. And Divya Cheshta Ruchi to come, minimum you have to do is concurrent chanting, come hearing. That is from your side you have to put, that Cheshta you have to put. Okay. What is the basic qualification to become Krishna conscious? Please explain, Prabhu. What is the basic qualification to Krishna conscious? Chant 16 rounds every day, everything will achieve. Okay. All other requirements of Krishna consciousness will come behind when you chant Hare Krishna. As you mentioned, chanting should not be done for any purpose of this world, but once we discuss that soulful japa will benefit the whole world, how do we understand this? You don't chant for that. Why do you? See, the thing is, for instance, Shastra says, Sarva Roga Nasha happens by Achyuta's name, chanting Achyuta's name. It is a glory of the holy name, but you don't have that kind of a relationship with the Nama that I use him for that. Doesn't mean he doesn't cure diseases by chanting. If anybody who chants, he doesn't cure disease. He will cure disease. Shastra says means pakka. Keshava's name you take, your disease should get cured. But we don't have that kind of relationship. It is a glory of the holy name. Similarly, more and more we chant, automatically the world will get benefit. You chant for your bhakti. You chant to save yourself. And you spread the holy name to save the world, to tell the world, to benefit the world. Even otherwise, simply by sitting and chanting soulful japa, because you're bringing down the Shakti of the Lord more by soulful japa. It spreads through your body, through your mind, through your activities. Apart from that, through the atmosphere, it benefits the whole world. So please understand, it is not about finally the holy name will do everything. Holy name we are depending. Even if I get food every day, it is because of the holy name only. He is my maintainer. But I don't ask. I have a loving relationship with him. I cannot make him do material work. It's just like yesterday we discussed. Because that is my relationship with Krishna. People who are not doing that kind of a japa, they can ask, okay, I got a yesterday somebody asked, a paralytic stroke, can you pray? We can pray, but I don't want to ask my Nama Prabhu for such things. You ask that. I would say that give Krishna consciousness to this person who is in that body. Please bless him. That I will do. Because he is incarnated for that purpose. By the way he wants, the material things also he will bless. So he, as far as Krishna Nama is concerned, not that for him nothing material and spiritual. He blesses somebody with wealth, that is also spiritual only. For him there is nothing, but I should not ask. This is the point. Don't separate Krishna from material life. I don't want to connect him to like an order carrier. How can I order the Lord for something? I cannot. I am supposed to serve him. And he will take care of all these things. So this is a higher principle. Okay. And we also desire. We don't specifically ask, but we desire the world become Krishna conscious. We desire. Nothing wrong. Okay. Can we also accept that sadhakas are still benefiting equally from japa, even if they are not initiated but are still following regulative principles and chanting the 16 round? Definitely. Sadhakas are benefiting, but sooner or later, better to feel that connection with a bona fide spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada, so that you feel committed, you feel a personal link with him. Very important. To go beyond a certain level into soulful japa, you need that. Okay. Thank you very much. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Meet you tomorrow. Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu ki Jai.